Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to GCP Cloud Platform and wondering how to start, you are in the right place. In this video, I will walk you through the GCP key services and explain what they do and show you how to navigate the platform like a pro. Whether you are a developer, student or IT professional, this is a beginner friendly guide will help you to understand that how GCP works. So when you log into GCP console, you will able to see this page, and if you don't have account, you can sign up and get $300 in free credits to try our GCP services. Once you're logged in, you will able to see this page. This is the dashboard, and mostly in GCP everything is organized into project. You can see the project here, and also we can create the project depending on your need. We can create the project here. This is the navigation menu where all the services are present. So yeah, let's check all the services. This is the API and services. So here we can enable the services of Google. There are so many. We can select the project here. Yeah, so yeah, we can enable the services here. Like you can see, there are so many: dialogue API, natural language. We can try to enable this. Like when you enable this, we are able to use it. It will take some time. Yeah, it is enabled now, so we can use that. So yes, this is the first service. Second is billing service. So when we use any service, it will give the bill of that service. In we can check it here. And this is the IAM and admin role. From this we are able to give the access to the particular user. Like we can grant access and remove, and these are the users. We can also add the users here. And let's get back. This is a marketplace. Vertex AI, this is for AI. And compute engine is a mostly used service of GCP. This is, we can say, this is the first step we need to do in GCP, like cloud. Let's create the instance. We can create the instance here by clicking on this. There are so many configuration here. Let's get back. Let's go to Kubernetes engine. It's like a Kubernetes, but it is managed by Google, so it's their own Kubernetes engine. And cloud storage, it is used for storage. The cloud storage, we can create the bucket here and upload the files whichever we need to upload. I already have the videos of cloud storage, how to create a bucket. This is a BigQuery. It is mostly used for pipelines and data transfer for big data. And this is the VPC network, where you can it is a virtual private network where we can manage our network, which is it private or public. And also this is Cloud Run. Cloud Run is a serverless service, and also we can connect the repo, deploy container here, and also create the services. And SQL, it has so many databases. Like we can create the instance. Also migrate database. There are 3 types: MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server. We can create the instance, use this also, whichever we need. Here are the process, and here is the configuration, what's in that, what we are getting. And security. Yeah, this is used for security. And also it have AI also is there. Like this is used for it is a powerful platform which is used for building and deploying ML model. We can do monitoring here. Oh. So yeah, these are all the services of Google. We can also go to this view all products. Like you can see all the products here, and you can see for what purpose we can use that. VMware badge, file store, BigQuery. This is for data. These all services are for data. And this is for networking. It is for distributed cloud. And these are, as I said, cloud run is serverless. There are also 4 types, and also so many databases are there, so many types. You can read this and use that depending on your need. And also you can do observability, monitoring, logging using GCP only, and operations are there. Security and compliance, app development, CI/CD pipeline. We can build a CI/CD pipeline. GitLab is there. Container, artifact registry, whichever we need in DevOps. All things are there. Artificial intelligence, integration services. There are so many tools. Web3, blockchain support. Yeah. So this is the all overview of GCP cloud services. So thanks for watching this video. Let me know in comment which GCP service you would like to cover next. Thank you.